Vitamin water. Moderately thick. Let's do it, folks. Hey, I'm SimplyThick John. I love to show you how to thicken things. I got 4 ounces of our blueberry pomegranate vitamin water already measured out. To go to moderately thick, we just give it 2 strokes from the pump, and we're going to just mix. We're thickening things because people have dysphagia, that's swallowing problems, and there's something called the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative that has come along and tells us how thick is thick. So if you're on a level 3 moderately thick diet, I want you to know that you can enjoy all the things you've always enjoyed, even though you're on a moderately thick diet. So once we mix this and it's basically ready to go already, we need to measure it and make sure we have the right thickness. And to do that, we're going to run our test with the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. So I need my timer and I need my funnel. In this funnel, we're going to fill it up to the 10 milliliter line. We will let it run for 10 seconds, and that will tell us how thick it is. Nice, quick, simple, easy test you can do anywhere. It's one of the great innovations of the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. It allows you to test this just about anywhere you are. So I can see it's dripping. That tells me it's not level 4, because level 4 wouldn't drip at all. Level 3 is going to drip. And this is indeed between the 8 and 10 milliliter line. And then the big question everybody asks is, hey John, how does it taste? And I tell you, it tastes great. Please like and follow for more great videos just like this.